Heavy rains have caused serious disruption in the districts of Araklı, Arsin, and Sürmene in Trabzon. The downpour, which started at around 3 p.m., turned streets into lakes, making it difficult for vehicles to move. In Arsin, a stream overflowed, and the moment was captured by citizens on their phones. The rain, which was sporadic throughout the day, turned into a deluge in these areas, swelling rivers and flooding streets. Some homes and businesses on ground floors were also inundated. Landslides have caused road collapses in certain areas, and crews from institutions like the State Hydraulic Works, AFE, and the local municipality are actively working to address the damage. Arsin Mayor Hamza Bilgin stated that his teams are working hard, though the rain continues. Governor Aziz Yildirim provided an update saying, "Thankfully, there have been no casualties or significant damage to property, but many are stranded on roads due to the floods. We are working to rescue them, and all teams are on the ground." The rain affected travel, even closing the Araklı-Bayburt highway at one point, with some parked vehicles submerged. As of the latest updates, the road has been partially reopened. Citizens are urged to remain cautious as intermittent rain continues.